Welcome guys, this is a video about an Elgato Chat Link Pro. So when I record video from my PlayStation 4, none of the audio from the microphone gets recorded. This is supposed to fix this. So let's see, it's just a device with a headphone jack. You plug your headphones in there and away you go. So I would need to cut this open here and here. We say stream or record PS5, PS4 and Nintendo Switch audio. Freedom of movement, eliminate hum and buzz, high quality construction, all in one solution. And it's Elgato brand. My stream capture card is also Elgato, so this should fit perfectly. Nothing in there. So you got cable, nice braided wire or braided cable. Let's see if we can get this out. So this is how you connect it. You connect the controller on a PS4 or Xbox or PS5. Is it an Xbox? No. PS4 or PS5 or the Nintendo Switch. You plug the headphones into this jack and you plug this side into the computer or the recording device. So this goes into the controller or switch, headphones in there, and this into the computer or recording device. If you're using OBS, you can connect it to your computer. Nice long cable. Any buttons? Off, on, isolator. So it's got three options. Oh, no, two options. Isolator on or off. See how long this actually is. Seems long. Yeah, that's pretty long. And that will get, you can move things about, not a problem. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll be using this soon. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more.